What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What do you like doing in your free time? What are your hobbies? Which company do you work for? How are things going with you? What is your name? My name is Michelle Nancy. You can call me Nancy. What's your name? Where are you from? I'm from Australia. It is a beautiful country. Do you like Australia? Where do you live? I live in Sydney. It is a city of Australia. Do you know it? What do you do? I am a waitress in Sydney restaurant. What is your job? What do you like doing in your free time? I like hang out with my friends in the countryside. What about you? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are paintings and playing games. I like to play video games with my friends. Do you like it? Which company do you work for? I work for a travel company for a year. Where do you work? How are things going with you? Just fine, thank you. How about your job?